Hey, this is Mike. Thank you so much for choosing this video. Today we're checking out Lasfit floor liners for vehicles. Now these are made out of TPE, which is a thermoplastic elastomer, and they're very durable. That's one of the benefits of that material. Very durable, they're water resistant, they wear very well, and they're not going to tear very easily. They're very flexible, so they lay in different in different floorboards and able to move around. They're not going to shatter or anything like that when it's very cold. They also have a stain resistance, so there's not going to stain. It's easily cleaned out. They're able to be recycled, so it's an eco-friendly material. They're odorless, which is really nice. Some materials have like this strong plasticky or rubber smell when you put them in. These are completely, I don't smell anything. They also have like if you touch them and you rub your hands on them, there's no black stuff that's rubbing off on your hands like some liners. They're not overly heavy. They have a good solid, material feel though. And they're custom fit for your particular vehicle. So they're designed to fit perfectly in the space that they're supposed to go in your vehicle. So not like some kind of universal fit and they don't really fit right. These fit perfect. So they're designed specifically for your vehicle. Here is a fresh set of Lasfit liners for a 2025 Toyota Tundra. And you can see that it is contoured to shape the vehicle properly. We have full coverage here on the footrest, and we can also snap these in place as well. Now it has a nice fancy pattern here, not overly done, but it allows for areas where dirt, muds, slush, whatever, water can go into the bottom and still give you a solid grip there on the top. Same thing with this, because this kind of tilts up and then the water can drain down and has these little reservoirs here for it to drain into and exit out if it needs to. And the whole pan basically is covered, even right here. So it has this little spot right there as well. On the back side, we have these little dimples. We have structure, so it's a little mesh to have like a little structure to it, and these little dimples to dig into the carpet slightly. They're not sharp, they're not too overly done, but it digs in there and keeps it in place. In addition to the latches here, but also just the basic contour of it fits in there like a glove. Let's compare it with the factory mat. This is the TRD Pro factory mat. And you can see it's very, very floppy. It doesn't have much structure to it. It does have the ability to latch it in place and has a little pattern right here, which is kind of cool. But you notice it just doesn't have the contours and the structure as the Lasfit. The Lasfit has a little bit more lip here on the side, more on this side as well. So this one cuts off a little bit, cuts off like right there. This one has a little bit better protection on the corners, deeper reservoir, and more coverage here on the sides. And just overall basic structure is more solid than the factory one. So yeah, this is kind of like a rubbery, kind of floppy one. And it works for its intended use, but the Lasfit is an upgrade to the factory. So installation of these Lasfit mats, very easy. Just doing it with one hand here and just kind of put it in place. And then you can just turn these little things here. So now you can see how well it's contoured in here. You can see right here we have good coverage here. And then here is all covered up. You even have this little spot right here which is covered. So as you're getting in, you're sliding your boots or whatever against this surface, that's protected unlike the factory one. And you have a deep reservoir here, and then it meets up with it nicely so you're not bumping your feet onto it. It doesn't stick up very much. This is all contoured, and also just the overall looks nice. It definitely looks like an upgrade, and it's actually a functional upgrade as well as a visual upgrade, I think. Okay, so here's the mat, the factory mat for the driver position. And you can see, once again, this is very floppy and doesn't have much structure, and the actual coverage is a little bit less. So you can see that kind of contours down. This cuts off early, and it doesn't have much of a lip up here. This is a shallower pan. We have less coverage. We don't have coverage here like in the Lasfit. We have that all coverage, and then this is kind of, it has a little space for putting stuff to go into, but it's not as much coverage as the Lasfit. So you can see the Lasfit has all that covered for the driver's side, just like the passenger, where it's a little bit more, we have more structure and more coverage and more contour and more sides protection, basically. And once again, one-handed. Let's go ahead and put this mat in place. So yeah, the installation process is pretty easy. Turn these, because when you should get it in place, it's the contour and the fit is so perfect, it just like automatically goes in this perfect position. Basically, it just holds it in place. So you can see we have better coverage here. This little lip right here, as you're sliding your feet in, this is more flat. So this is better coverage, but also it doesn't have like this rubber lip sticking up. And then you have more coverage there on the footrest. It goes up all the way, and then more of a lip there around the pedals, and everything's still out of the way and not obstructing anything. And also it looks really nice. But yeah, the driver, to me, the driver position is the most important, because you know there's always going to be somebody in the driver's seat and getting in and out of the driver's seat. And also you have pedals to manipulate, you have a footrest to deal with. So for me, this is the most important position, and I think they nailed it here. Okay, so let's take the factory mat out here in the back. You notice it has like, it's not, the floppiness and the lack of it contour, sometimes it just doesn't fit right, just because it's floppy. You know, if you actually like play around with it, it'll go in place, but as your feet touch it and move it around, it can get out of place, because it's not, the structure is not as solid as the Lasfit. So you can see it's like a floppy mat, basically. It's just a flat mat. And so yeah, let's compare this with the Lasfit. All right, so we're just basically, it's very floppy. The contours are less, the sides are less. This is more structure here. Now this thin part in the middle is intended to have a little bit of leeway so it can contour. But you'll notice it has these stronger lips here, here, and just is able to give you better coverage overall. Because this one cuts off before it gets under the seat. This one actually goes under the seat a little bit, because you know people's feet go under the seat sometimes, you know. So giving you that additional coverage is nice. And once again, just like the front seats, we have the space for water and everything to get into and get trapped into. So you can take these out, clean them, hose them off, let them dry, put them back in, and it's very easy to keep them clean and looking good. Okay, so once again, one-handed. Let's try to do this one-handed here. All right, so gotta have a camera in one hand and put it in place, and so we can see how easy it is even with one hand to do. All right, so yeah, once it gets in close to position, it kind of just falls into place here. All right, that's looking good. Let's check the other side. I even forgot to pull those seats up, but we'll just go ahead and continue. All right, let's go ahead and push that down, pull it tight. All right, there we go. All right, so now we have the coverage under the seat a little bit here, all the way around this area. All these sides here have a little place for water to go in, has a little reservoir there. We have coverage back here as well. And then the center hump in the middle is fully covered there in the center. So if you need a center passenger or whatever, kids sitting there and they're putting their feet down, it's all covered. So yeah, this back seat has full coverage now, and I think it definitely looks like an upgrade as far as visually, looking nice and classy. And a upgrade as far as, you know, the functionality of it as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll have a link in the description for Lasfit liners. Lasfit has a lot of different things that they sell, so I have a link to their website so you can check it out. But the liners are exceptional. They look really good, and I like the way it doesn't have any kind of smell or any kind of weird quirkiness to them. They're just very straightforward, very durable, and you just don't really have to worry about them. They have like a lifetime warranty. They have a return policy. They have a lot of benefits shopping with Lasfit. And once again, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.